Santa Rosa 911. What is your emergency?
Hi, I'm calling from Macy's. I just had an attempted stabbing.
Okay. Where are Macy's Coddingtown or downtown?
Plaza.
Okay. Do you need an ambulance?
No, he was unsuccessful. It's an African American male. He is walking on the west side of the mall.
Okay. Does he have all of his pants, no shirt?
No, he's wearing a brown jacket. He has a red bag, and we stopped him because we're Macy's after protection, and he's wearing our shoes. And then he just attempted to stab my manager.
Okay.
He's in the parking garage right now.
Did he take the merchandise?
What was that?
Did he take the merchandise?
Yes, he has the merchandise.
Okay. 1 second. And which garage is he in?
He is in the north garage right now.
What kind of weapon?
It's a knife. It's a pocket knife.
And what do you do at the store? What do you do at the store?
I'm the asset protection manager. He literally tried to kill us. He literally tried to kill us, ma'am. Like, it was like he tried to stab us in the neck.
Okay, we have a bunch of officers on the way, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Get on the ground right now. I will tase you. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground right now. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now. Break the record. Taser point. He's trying to get in the car. No, 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 no. Get out of here. Break 34. Shots fired. Shots fired. I got one suspect down. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Do not move. You understand? Break 34. I need right common stage. Do not move. You understand? Do not go for that knife! I just shot him. He's not moving, he's talking though. Where's the knife at? Where's the knife at?
It's on the bottom.
It's on the what? Did you just throw it? Don't move, you understand?
Yes.
Do not fucking move. He's threw the knife just now, I don't see where it is. There it is right there.
Well, I can grab it. Hey, put on gloves and grab the knife. It's right at his feet. Just be careful.
Tried to, yeah, if you can. Can you move? No? You want to rip him out? I'll keep the gun on him. Yeah, I'm good. I'll keep the gun on him. You guys pull him out. We just took the knife from him. I tried to tase him, and
just be careful.
I tried to tase him. He ran from me, and he jumped in my patrol car.
Okay. You ready? Sit. All right. Let's get another one, another cover. Yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe some
Yeah.
on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have any other weapons?
You good, man?
Yeah, I'm good. Break 34. We got him detained. He can go inside of medical. Yeah. I fucking tried to tase him. I tried to tase him again, and he fucking bolted toward my car, and I left it exposed like an idiot, and he jumped right in. So. It's like, yeah, I know. I know.
You get there? You're not hurt?
Yeah, I'm fine. As soon as I tried to open the door on him, he fucking tried to. It looked like he was trying to go for the knife again, so I backed up, closed it, and he was trying to put it in drive, and I just shot him. I was like, he's not taking my fucking car. After doing a 211, tried to stab somebody. I got my gun in there, my rifle. I just feel like an idiot. He ran into my fucking car.
The important thing is you're okay.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Where's he hit?
I shot at him from the front of the side window, so I'm assuming on the side and the chest area.
Okay.
So, but I couldn't see it because he immediately fell over into the passenger side.
Okay, was he getting in your car or something?
Yeah, I tried to tase him again, and then I tried again, and none of them worked, and he bolted from my car, and I was on the other side of him. And he jumped in and closed the door. I pulled the door open, and he looked like he was trying to go for the knife again, so I let him close the door, and then I said, don't go, and he took off, and so I shot him through my window, because he's not taking my car,
All right.
especially if I have weapons in there, and he just tried to stab somebody.
Okay.
So,
You want to,
yeah.
You want me to just hang out with you?
Sure.
Okay. Said his name is God. Hey, so, tell me something, right?
Yeah.
Just for, and I know it's not for me, it's going to be for your sergeant, but your public safety, how many shots you think you fired?
I think I shot her 4 or 5.
Did they all go in the car, or is there
They
any
all went
chance
in the
anything-
car.
Okay.
I was aiming at him and down,
Okay.
right at him.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure they all went in the car.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right. Call your wife.
Yeah.
Go off and call your wife.